How to turn off YouTube notifications. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off YouTube notifications. Now, and the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, here what you want to do is you want to open up your YouTube application. Make sure you're logged into your account that you want to manage the notifications from. Now you want to tap on the profile or the U icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and under you you'll get an face like this. Now here you can see the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner, right? You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you'll be headed into this settings page. Scroll down, and under billings and payments you can see the option notifications, right? You want to tap on the notifications option there, and now here you'll be able to manage your YouTube notifications. You can see the first option, schedule digest. You can toggle it on or toggle it off. I've toggled it off, and you can see notifications from subscriptions, the channels that you have subscribed. You can toggle it off from here or toggle it on. However, if you have toggled it on, down below you can see channel settings. Under it you can set different notification settings for every single channel. So if I tap on it, it'll show all my subscribed channels. Now what you can do is you can tap on that option there at the right hand side beside each channel, and you can disable the notifications from here. Now similarly, under settings, under notifications, again here you can see various other notifications options as well. You can see recommended videos, you can toggle them off. You can see recommended ways to create activity on my channel, and such options you can toggle it off from here. So this way you can turn off YouTube notifications. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.